Coming up in this video, I'm going to discuss a technique or a way that we've been very successful in saving a truck driver's Class A commercial license when they have been pulled over and caught a DUI in their personal vehicle. This is case analysis. Stick around and find out. The DMV has a very low standard. They said, yep, he had the right to stop him, right to arrest him. Welcome back. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the techniques we use to try and save commercial truck drivers' licenses, save their jobs, ultimately saves their family. I'll give you a scenario. We'll call this guy Hector. Hector was a first-time DUI. He's in his Chevy truck and he's out in, we'll just call the city, let's call it Rancho. He's out at Rancho. The officer's about 982 feet away. There's about literally 50 palm trees in the center divider. The officer says he hears an engine rev. He goes and he pulls my guy over as he's pulling into a bar. Now, on a Class A, he caught it in his personal vehicle. He's going to lose his truck driver's license for a year. So imagine a dividing wall. We have the DMV on this side, court on this side. The DMV only had three things to worry about. Did the officer have the right to stop them, right to arrest someone, is blood or breath 0.08 or higher? Well, ultimately, it was a very high BAC over 2.0. The DMV has a very low standard. They said, yep, he had the right to stop him, right to arrest him. So we lost the DMV, and in that scenario, I couldn't get it extended. We had all the evidence. We had all the audio, video. I had no legitimate reason to continue it. We lost it, but at the same time, I was working on the court system. I was doing what's called a motion to suppress. I was challenging the officer's ability under the Fourth Amendment to pull him over. There's a lot of problems on this case because you heard me mention 982 feet. I actually went out to the site, had a measuring wheel that you see a construction guy use. I measured it off, counted 50 plus palm trees, and got the video. I filed a motion to suppress in the court, and I had a really good district attorney who understand the problems of his case. And ultimately, we reduced it to a charge other than a DUI. Well, just the reduction alone doesn't save his license. What happened is we put in some language into the plea, and us attorneys in California call it a Hellman dollar, and we put the Hellman dollar language into the plea. And then what we did is we got a certified copy of the plea, sent it up to the legal department in Sacramento DMV. That legal department then overturned the loss that I had a month before. Ultimately, he lost his license for his Class A. I think it was in the 30 to 60 day range, but he was back on the road pretty dang quick, and I don't think it was more than 60 days. Now, this doesn't guarantee an outcome if you have a Class A license. All it does is it shows that there are possibilities. Not all is lost. If you need a free legal consultation, give us a call, 909-798-1500. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. At our office, Silva & Silva Law, we have Attorney Meagan Silva. She handles the wills, trust, and probate. You can call for a free legal consultation. My son, Attorney Alex Silva, he handles the personal injury side. Again, free legal consultation, 909-798-1500. This does not guarantee an outcome. This is only intended as an educational video. I threw a lot at you on this one, but what I'm trying to really show is that the consequences if a Class A driver catches a DUI in his personal vehicle, it's a lot stiffer on his life. Have a nice day. Out.